Duty manager is responsible to ensure that front office shifts runs efficiently, providing outstanding guest service, assisting all front office staff and maintaining a calm, professional environment at all times. Duty manager supervises and assigns duty roster for front office attendants, concierge, bell counter, guest relations and business center, and responsible for VIP movement in hotel. Meets and greets the VIP guests of the hotel. As directed by the front office manager, performs special services for VIP guests. Assists in VIP arrival departure in absence of guest relation officers. Checks cleanliness of lobby and public areas, lights, and as well as front office staff in proper and orderly appearance and behavior. Checks on registration cards of arriving guests and ensures information should be filled on each registration cards either by guest relation officers or the guests. Assists in sending guest messages or faxes. Gives the instructions to the night reception, during the high occupancy periods, regarding walk-in guests and release blocked rooms because of no-shows. Assists in handling room lock problems. Prepares and checks for VIP arrival and escorts guests. Coordinates with all departments concerned in order to maintain front office functions properly. Operates the front office computer system in order to assist front office attendants. Checks front desk department and thoroughly and ensures switchboard makes appropriate wake-up calls. Handles guest complaints and other related problems and reports to the assistant manager. Assists reception, business center, cashier, concierge, and bell captain during high occupancies. Answers guests' inquiries, handles complaints and available as per the needs of the guests. Approves and sign for allowances, rebates etc., as required by front office cashier. Authorizes charges to be made for late departures. Promotes and maintains good public relations. Motivates and maintains good staff relations. Maintains and be guided of hotel policy on credit, lost and found hotel guests' properties. Follows up in credit limit report, liaise with credit manager. To be responsible for front office operation during the absence of front office manager. To discuss all matters that needed to follow up with the next shift reception manager. Approves the working schedule for the staff and submits them to FOM. Conducts and ensures the cleanliness of front office attendants as well as correct attitude and behavior, discusses problems that encountered on this point with front office manager, assistant front office manager and their shift leaders. Assigns and approves duty roster for all front desk staffs.